Welcome students. Today we discuss the question answer of chapter 4, importance of plants. First we complete the fill in the blanks. Plants are useful to us in many ways. Second, garlic and ginger plants are also used to make medicines. Third one, plants give out oxygen gas during daytime. The fourth one, people who cut down trees should be punished. All living things need oxygen gas for breathing. Not true and false. We must protect plants to survive on the earth. True. Fallen leaves can be burnt. False. We should encourage deforestation. False. Only a few of us need to try to increase the number of plants and trees. False. Plants give us food only. False. Tick the correct option. They are an important gift of nature. The options are toys, plants, cars, mobiles. The option B is correct, plants. Second, plants give us wool, wood, egg, butter. The correct answer is wood. Efforts need to be made to protect forest from fires. So now we discuss question answer. The first question, in which form do we get food from plants? The answer is plants give us food in the form of fruits, vegetables, pulses and grains. The second one, how do plants help the soil? Answer is plants bind the soil with the help of their roots. Third question, what is deforestation? Is it good or bad for all of us? Answer is cutting down of trees is called deforestation. Trees are very important for us. Hence deforestation is bad for all of us. E part question answer. List any 4 uses of plants. The answer is we depend on plants for our various necessities such as medicines and oils, fruits and vegetables, wood. Let's see the question answer of E part. List any 4 uses of plants. The 4 uses of plants are we get fruits, vegetables, pulses and grains from plants. Second, we get various plant products like wood, paper, rubber, etc. The third one, we get spices and medicines from plants. Fourth, plant purify air by increasing amount of oxygen gas during daytime. Next question, how do plants act as air purifiers? Plants release oxygen gas during the daytime, which is needed for us for our survival. This way, it increases amount of oxygen gas and purifies air. Third question, suggest any 3 ways that can help to conserve plants. Answer is the 3 ways to conserve plants are we should use only those branches and leaves that have fallen down. Second, we should promote afforestation and stop deforestation. Third one, we should celebrate Van Mahotsav by planting saplings in the schools and neighborhood areas. Thank you, student.